And now tonight, after hearing you,
Oh.
I felt sexy. I felt when you were drinking the iced tea, you and me on the
Yes.
porch, I was like, I feel good.
Well, I'm glad we could bring the sexy to part 2.
Yeah. So tell me about that song, how that came about.
I wrote it.
Yeah. Now it's no longer sexy, by the way.
That's the funny thing, and you have to expect that kind of answer with Parker, because he'll write a song and it'll be the most gut-wrenching, like, after he brings it to me, I'm like, are you okay? Do you want to talk? This is terrible. Like, this is, I mean, it's amazing, but God, guy.
Yeah.
And
he just wants a popsicle.
He'll be like, I was just in a bad mood and I was hungry.
Yeah.
And I really wanted that popsicle.
Yeah.
And it's this song of like longing and devotion. You ask him about it, it's kind of like, man, I was hungry.
Oh, I knew you stayed last year. I was standing right here, and from Istanbul to Los Angeles, there were folks just like us. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I made a resolution. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I made a resolution. On New Year's Day,